There's so many. Oh my gosh, there's more coming.
Yeah, no kidding. Every single seagull on this whole entire beach is going to be over
Charlie,
there.
stop moving. Oh my gosh, there's one coming from all the way over
Yeah,
there.
because they see the food.
How can they see it?
Because they're seagulls. They're scavengers. I don't know if they're going to come any closer because Charlie keeps moving.
Stop moving. I can see it.
They're going to go right up. Oh, then I got a black one.
There's a black one. It looks like a crow.
He's behind you.
He's behind you. Stop moving!
These are knuckleheads.
Stop moving! It's a crow.
Yeah, he's probably calling all his friends.